Hi, I'm Anne.
And I am Karina.
Today we're going to tell you about Christmas and New Year in Belarus.
And what is going on in Minsk, the capital of Belarus, before these holidays?
It's interesting to know that in Belarus, New Year is celebrated more than Christmas. This tradition appeared in Soviet times when society was more secular rather than religious.
Belarusian people celebrate many holidays, but only 9 of them are official state holidays when people don't work. They are New Year's Day, the Christmases, Women's Day, Radunitsa, Labor Day, Victory Day, Independence Day, and October Revolution Day.
Belarus is a unique country when it comes to Christmas. It has one Christmas at the end of December and the other one in early January. Both are official days off. There are two main confessions in Belarus, the Orthodox and the Roman Catholic churches. The Orthodox believers celebrate it on 7th of January by the Julian calendar, and the Catholic believers celebrate it on 25th of December by the Gregorian calendar.
The most extensive New Year celebration occur on December 31st and on January the 1st, like in the most countries in the world. On these days, fireworks and concerts mark all the special holidays. It is also the time when Father Frost, in Russian Ded Moroz, and his granddaughter, Snow Maiden, in Russian Snegurочка, visit children at their homes and at different New Year parties to give them presents and to entertain them.
All children in Belarus look for the New Year and wait for Ded Moroz. It is he, Russian Santa Claus, who puts the presents under the New Year tree. The residence of Ded Moroz in Beloverskaya Pushcha is one of the most famous tourist attractions.
We are in one of the biggest shopping centers in Minsk, Dana Mall. Look at these beautiful decorations.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn for popping. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow.
So now, let's go!
We want to show you what colors, symbols and characters of this holiday season are the most popular among Belarusian people.
From the beginning of December, people in Belarus start to decorate Christmas trees at home. In Belarus, Christmas trees are called New Year trees. There are many Christmas trees in front of important state buildings all over the city. The main New Year tree is erected in October Square.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away.
Usually the whole family takes part
years ago in the USSR, there were only glass Christmas balls. Now there is a big choice of Christmas decorations. Generally, they are made of plastic. Glass Christmas balls are more expensive now.
Also, Belarusians hung up colored lights on the windows. They decorate the flats and houses with different symbols of New Year, such as snowmen, small New Year trees, reindeers, Father Frost, and symbols of the coming year.
It's my snow maiden Снегурочка. We have found Father Frost.
Yes, he is not fake, he is real.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Special.
Happy New Year!